Hello and a very warm welcome to all my friends in the Middle East. Welcome to the longest running luxury lifestyle show of your region, where week after week we bring you a melange of high-end events, the biggest do's and the most talked about personalities. So if you want to keep track of the high life, keep track of us and we'll do the rest. आज हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं फैशन का जलवा with the highlights of the fashion event that took Dubai by storm. Who's next and Premier Class, starting with the collection of Omar Ponsot Langur, Aisha Depala and Isa. An art exhibition follows next at Pro Art Gallery at the Palm Strip Mall, Jumeirah. Uske baad, we have the launch of a luxury pen specially designed for ladies from DuPont. Another world-class name enters the Dubai market, and that is Rolling Stones magazine. And as the curtain calls, we take you to one of the most happening places in Dubai, the Buddha Bar at the Grosvenor House. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का मजेदार सफर फैशन और ग्लैमर की दुनिया में ओनली ऑन हाई लाइफ दुबई। Fragrance, flair and fashion, some things are just better French. So when the famed Parisian Fashion Fest visited Dubai, it was welcomed with the trademark Middle Eastern warmth. The Fashion Fest I'm talking about is Who's Next and the Premier Class 2010. Who's Next in Premier Class in Dubai is an event for all those fashion lovers to have the opportunity to shop among the most exclusive ready-to-wear and accessory brands from across Europe, Asia, United States and the Middle East. So चलिए देखते हैं what this event is all about. The first designer on the show tonight is the talented Omar Ponsot. Omar Ponsot Couture is one of the leading couture houses in the region today. This brand provides a variety of luxury designs and launched its new line, Ponsot Pret-a-Porter, which has simplicity and practicality. Bright and vibrant colors with form fits made this collection stand out among the rest.
All pretty women are great inspiration to me. So when I design, I picture a very pretty woman and then I try to dress her the best I can.
Well, I think the collection looks very nice. There are some dresses that I would love to wear actually.
Born out of India, Langour's featured next, and we caught up with the designer Sunil Ved to know more. Langour's believes in reviving the traditional art of natural dyeing and printing. In this modern era, synthetic dyes and resins, which are cost-effective, faster to produce, colorful and easily available, have overpowered the natural resources of Indian traditions. And that is why Langour's is here to lend a touch of eco-friendly designs.
I thought about this name as my brand about 10 years before. And the concept why I made this name was to make the revival of the traditional art of natural dyes.
I really enjoyed them. They look like Brazilian clothes. The tie-dye, the style, the relaxed style, very beach style. I really want to wear them.
It's very my style. I would like to buy it later. Very fresh color, very comfortable dresses that I love it. It's fantastic for warm weather like Dubai.
And speaking of premier class, the outfit I'm wearing tonight is from a premier designer brand, Moschino from Harvey Nichols. Dubai-based designer Aisha Depala is up next. The luxurious pret-a-porter and haute couture is from Dubai-based designer Aisha Depala.
The fabrics are mainly chiffon and tulle, so everything is silk. The colors were very muted in my signature style. There was lots of nude, lots of blush pink and creams, and there was a bit of black. We've thrown in a little bit of color. There was a peacock blue and like a rouge noir.
The collection was very beautiful. Aisha Depala does always a fantastic job.
It's perfect for Dubai because we all wear very long, flowy clothes.
First of all, I'm a huge fan of Aisha Depala, just her ready-to-wear. So seeing her haute couture line was just phenomenal.
Oh, it was fantastic. It was really free-flowing, fantastic colours. It was very fluent.
I loved it. It was amazing.
And the last designer on our show tonight is the very talented Isa, who's known and loved for his bold use of creativity. Known for offering his wearers a colourful and charming allure, Isa is today the UAE's best-known fashion designer. He clothes Middle Eastern female aristocracy with his vibrancy. Isa may humbly describe himself as a clothes maker, yet his designs are sought after by Dubai's most fashionable residents and royals.
It's impressive, colorful, and I like the fabrics that he has used.
Oh my God, I love Isa's collection. I think it just really told a story, and I love the fact that there was just so much of him in it. So I think it was absolutely beautiful.
It's fantastic, like always, and I'm wearing Isa for the last 10 years, and I'm thinking that this year it's really something special, especially all this fur that he has. I think that is really amazing.
I think it's quite in the collection. A lot of animal prints and free-flowing silhouettes, flattering the woman, the feminine body form. I think it was quite interesting and I really liked it.
Isa's one of my good friends, and I just believe in his fashion. It's totally different. It's a mixture of Middle Eastern, Southwood European, and I just love Isa.
Fabulous, stunning, all the works, original, unique. Isa.
फैशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे मैं कभी थक नहीं जाती हूँ और दुबई में रहते रहते तो सभी फैशनिस्टास बन ही जाते हैं। इतनी सारी वैरायटी, इतने सारे ब्रांड्स, it just widens your fashion horizon. Let's take a short break. See you in a bit. After the break, it's time for some art at Pro Art Gallery, followed by the launch of a luxury pen specially designed for women from DuPont.